Hey everyone, so I mean this isn't really a Willet laser, we already know it's acrylic, but I thought this stuff was really cool. So it's the sparkly glitter flake, I don't know what you call it, but black on the back. So my best buddy Francis, who sent me this stuff, is going to get some keychains cut out of it, and we're going to see how it turns out. Hopefully this is really cool. So here we go. It's going to run in like 3 stages actually. It's going to burn all the inside stuff, then it's going to outside cut, and then it's going to outside double cut it, just because I don't like cranking up my laser that much to cut through this stuff. So yeah, here we go. Thanks for stopping by, and away we go. You want something cut? You want something done? Let me know. I'm always up for new challenges. So yeah, thanks guys. Have a great one. Okay, so my battery died in the middle of recording, so you're not gonna see some of that. But and the light kind of sucks. Here, let me hold on. So yeah, there you go. Super sparkly, and then the phone numbers in the back. Again, it's got it, once you wash them, it cleans up and it's all sparkly. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up to cut some more, but thanks for coming by, and once again thank you Francis for all the cool stuff, and we will catch you again later. I had a couple more things to cut, so I'll post some more videos and you guys keep coming back. I really appreciate it, you guys. It means a lot, you guys watching my stuff. Anyway, so yeah, everyone have a good night. It's actually about midnight right now. So I'm going to bed. But yeah. Good night, good night. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.